Hi, everybody. This is Mrs. Rivera, and we're going to be doing our journal a little bit differently this week. First, we're going to read a story about Earth Day. It's nonfiction, which means it's real. And we are going to then answer some questions about how we celebrate Earth Day. So, first, we're going to read the story. And this story is called, it's right over here, it's called Celebrating Earth Day. Okay. Helping Earth. It is Earth Day. We do things to help Earth. And look what he's doing right here. Looks like he's spraying water on some plants, helping them grow. Earth Day is April 22nd, which is coming up really soon. We clean up our community. We pick up trash. So these people are walking around and helping to clean up all the trash, the garbage that's around in the park. We plant a tree. It will be a home for birds and animals. So they're planting a tree so that sooner or later, when it grows bigger, birds can put their nest in there and other animals can live in the tree or use the tree for things. So planting a tree could be very helpful. Cars cause pollution. We walk or bike instead. So, pollution, if you didn't know, is when there's a lot of garbage or smoke in the air and things that are not really good for our earth. And if you drive a car, the smoke and things that come out of the car are not really good for the earth. But if you're going somewhere that's not too far, and you can walk or ride your bike instead, it will save us from making more pollution, which would be great for the environment. Okay. Save and recycle. We save water. We turn it off when we brush our teeth. So instead of leaving the water on and running the whole time that you're brushing your teeth or you're washing your hands, you can wait until you're ready and then use the water so that way you don't have the water running and it's just being wasted. We recycle paper, glass, and plastic. We sort them out from the trash. Now, most of you should know what recycling is because usually we have a blue bin in our classroom that has this symbol on it right here. And that means that whatever you put in that bin, it will be sent to be recycled. And that means that if you put like a plastic water bottle in there, that they can actually take that water bottle and they can make it into maybe a new water bottle. So instead of it just going in the garbage, it could be reused again. And that's recycling. And that's helping to keep all of the garbage from being too much garbage on our earth because eventually we'll run out of room if we don't do that. Learning and making. We read a book. We learn how to help Earth. We teach others what we learn. We make a birdhouse. Birds will come to nest. So you could even help make a birdhouse for a bird. We go outside. We walk in a park. We celebrate Earth Day every day. So some people like to just go outside and enjoy the earth. Okay, so now when you get to your assignment, it will look something like this. And I'm going to put the YouTube link to my video right here, and you're going to be able to just click on it, and that will take you to that story that I just read. That will be the first thing you need to do. And then the second thing you need to do is the journal write. And I put 3 questions, which means when you're writing, I don't just want one sentence, I want a couple of sentences to answer these questions. So here are the questions. How do people celebrate Earth Day? Now, that's the first question. Now, you can use that book and go back in the story on my video to think about how people celebrate Earth Day. Okay? Then the next question is, how can you help the earth? So think about all the things that the people were doing in that book to help celebrate Earth Day and to help take care of the earth, and think about what you would like to do. And then what will you do to make the earth better? So you want to think about same thing. What will you do to help the earth or to help make the earth better? So it says here, and I highlighted it because it's important, it says try writing a few sentences to explain. Check your writing for capitals. Remember, a capital always starts the beginning of a sentence. And I also capitalized Earth because it's the name of our planet. And make sure you put periods at the end of your sentences, okay, that little dot, when you are finished. So after you finish typing your answer, you want to answer how people celebrate and what you're going to do to make Earth better. And after you're done, you're going to reread it and check your writing and make sure that you put capitals and periods and everything that you needed to do. Okay, if you have any questions, you could put a comment on my page, on my Google Classroom page, or you can email me. And I hope that you have some good ideas. I can't wait to read your journals.